Echo command. In this presentation, we will explore the echo command. It is a fundamental tool in shell scripting. By using echo command, you will be able to display text messages, variables, and making your scripts more user-friendly and adaptable. What is the echo command? Think of echo command as a loudspeaker for your scripts. It allows you to communicate with the user by displaying messages, variable values, or any text you specify. This is particularly helpful for providing instructions, feedback, or status updates during the script execution. The echo command is simple and powerful and interactive shell scripting. Next, basic syntax of echo. Using the echo command is straightforward. Simply type echo followed by the text you want to display enclosed in square brackets. For example, echo hello world will print the hello world on the terminal screen. Remember, the echo command faithfully reproduces your input, including spaces and special characters. Displaying the variables with echo. The echo command can be even more powerful when combined with variables. By using the $sign followed by the variable name within the square brackets, you can display the variable's current value. This allows you to dynamically generate messages based on the script logic or user input. For instance, if variable named greeting holds the value welcome, the command echo $greeting would print the welcome on the terminal session. Next, adding a new line characters with echo. By default, the echo command displays text on a single line. However, you can introduce the line breaks with your output using -e flag and the -n escape sequence. This allows to create multiple line messages, improving the readability and forwarding your script output. For example, echo -e line 1/n line 2 would print the line 1 followed by the line 2 on the separate lines. Next, colorizing the output with echo. In the previous slides, we explored the echo command. It's a fundamental tool for displaying messages in shell scripts. By using distinct colors, you can differentiate critical messages, for example, warnings in red from regular output from black, making it easier for users to scan and comprehend information. To colorize text in our shell scripts, we'll leverage the ANSI escape sequences. These are special codes that instruct the terminal how to display the following text. Hello. Let us see the few examples using echo command utility in shell scripting. The first one, how do we see the basic text output? For that one, we use echo quotation begin hello world. It gives the output of hello world. Next, how do you see the printing a variable? For example, I have given the variable equal to my name Shomashekaram, and I would like to call the variable using echo command my name is $sign capital N AME name. So it should print the my name is Somashekaram. Next, how do you print the multi-line output? Echo quotation begin line 1, line 2, line 3. Line 1 and line 2, line 3 some messages we would like to print out. You can put anything here. I just wanted to you create the multi-line output. How do you see using echo command? Now let's close the quotation mark, just press enter. See, line 1 and line 2, line 3 is printed one by one. Next, how do I use the escape sequences using echo command? Echo -e. This -e option enables the interpretation of \escapes. Then hello /n. I'm going to /n because I would like to print the word to the next line. Just give the word. It should print hello one line, world another line, because /n we have used it. Now let us see the how do we redirect the output to a file. For this one, this echo, this is a sample text, then quotation close, just creating a file sample.txt. It should create the sample.txt file. Yes, it is created. Sample.txt file. What it is having the information, using cat command we can check this information. Cat sample.txt. This is a sample text. So we know that so far how to redirect the file. Now we would like to append this some information in this file only. Then how we can use the using echo command. Then echo, just put same information, appending this text to which file? Same thing previously which we created, sample.txt. Now this information is also available in this sample.txt along with this is a sample text. For that one, to see the what it having, cat sample.txt. See, both information is available in the cat, that is sample.txt file. Right? Next, how do you substitute the command? Echo, let us see today's date. Today is $, just type date and close the quotation marks. Then it should show the date. Today is, right? Next, how do we use the echo with special characters? Echo, this is a $/, quotation mark closed. It should show the full information. This is a $:$. This is how we can use special characters. If we would like to combine the multiple commands, then echo files in the current directory open bracket ls. What are the files under the current directory? Just enter. It should show the all the files which are available under the current path. Next, colorizing the output using ANSI escape codes. To colorizing the code, type the command echo -e quotation slash 033 open bracket 31M. This is a color code. Just type this is red text because 31 refers to the red slash 033 open bracket 03 close it, so that we are going to end the text code which is in red up to the that sentence only. Just press enter. I think somewhere else I have not completed the code where it is. That is the reason it is showing the terminal as well. Let's modify this command. Echo -e quotation mark slash 033 slash open bracket 31M. This is a red text. Okay, this is fine up to 033 open bracket 03 actually it is not 03 0M it is. So because it is going to end at state, so just press enter. See, now it shows the red text. So if you do not close the quotation or 0M, then it would be reflected to the what we have given the text color. That same thing is applicable to the next prompt also. So let us see one more example. If I would like to change the color to the green, then I can use the 32. It's a ANSI code for the green. Just enter. See, now if I wanted to another different color, just press 34. No, this is 33. That's fine. This is 34. It should show the different color, that is blue. So here slash 033 34M 34 anyway, you know that it sets the text color to blue. So slash 033 open bracket 0M, this resets the text formatting back to the default. So you remember always these things. Slash 003 slash 033, this is escape character, and 31M 32M 33M, these are the ANSI codes to set the text color. 31M for the red, 32M for the green, 34 sets to the blue color, right? So what about 33? I think it should be yellow. Let us see. Yes, it's yellow. This is how we do colorizing the output using the echo command utility. Thank you.